Hello, welcome to my channel. My name's Amanda and I love crafting, shopping, decor and makeovers. Thanks for tuning in. So the last decor video before Christmas is the dining room. So like the rest of the house, I've made it look super cozy. Got all is calm on the top of the bookcase there. Lovely cute little nativity scene, a reindeer and a couple of trees. I've got couple of pictures at the back that my mom did with chalk pastels, a fox and a rabbit in the snow, in some lovely looking frames, and then a little Noel sign that was actually from Poundland for £2, but it's lovely on the shelf. And then I've got a little candle and I've put some Christmas greenery in that pot, and then I got that lovely candle from Primark, and then I've put a lovely little candle ring round it, and then this lovely seated reindeer. Can't remember. I think it was from actually I might have got that from a garden centre or something like that. Then I've got another little nativity scene. I'm still searching for the perfect nativity scene. I got that one from Tewkesbury Abbey, which is quite nice, but I am still looking for the one. I haven't found it yet. And then I've got some little light up houses which were actually had, I think, biscuits and tea in them from Marks and Spencer's, and a nice little Christmas book there which you can put whatever you like inside. Got my light up reindeer there, adding a cosy touch to the top, and I've moved the nutcracker. He's usually by the tree or on the mantelpiece, but I thought I'd put him in the dining room this year. So I've got this wreath here with some little lights around it, some reindeers on it, and another one of those bows. I got that from Primark in a nice little pack. It's nice to buy ready-made bows sometimes. And then this little set I bought from the range, and then I just added the Christmas greenery and the baubles and the berries. And then this set, is nice. It's a nice wintry scene, so I should use that. I will change it. I have got some green chargers that I will use and some lovely other mats, so I will change it, as we get a little bit nearer. And a nice little bits and pieces on the sideboard there. I added that little wreath onto the top of that wooden tree, and I got that picture off Amazon. So yeah, just really cozy, wintry. And as I said, I will dress the table for Christmas, so I might put a different tablecloth on or a runner and stuff, and add some extras to it. Might put some shots on shorts for you. And then I've got that lovely little scene there, which I think goes really nice on the windowsill because it's very thin, so that's great for a windowsill. Got my drink station, super cute candy cane bottle of vodka there. And then these glasses were from Asda, and I think they're really sweet. And then this little lamp I got off eBay, I think, and it changes. You've got warm white, cool white, and then you just charge it up, so it's great. You don't have to plug it in. So this is my sort of Christmas cocktail station. And then underneath I've got all the crackers. They're very Ralph Lauren with their tartan, and I thought I'd keep those down there near the table, and then we can just move them over when we need them. This little light I got off Amazon. I'm just using it to add a bit of atmosphere there to the sideboard behind the plant, but I think I will move it over a little bit, perhaps so it gives a bit more light on this picture, although this picture does light up as well. Got that from the range last year for £6, which was a great bargain. And then I've got another little lovely wooden reindeer and some trees and a snowman. Nice little sort of, just a scene, but it's on a tray, so it can be moved away. So if we do need the sideboard for, food, if we're having a party or on Christmas Day, it can be moved. So that's the, the dining room. Simple yet cozy. Lots of lovely trees, reindeers, snowman, that kind of thing. Just kept the table simple for day-to-day use, but like I said, I will dress it for the big day. So as always, thanks ever so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please consider doing so, and if you have, thank you very much, it does mean a lot. Please give me a thumbs up, turn on notifications, drop me a comment, because I do love to hear from you. So until next time, take care, bye bye.